Book a table.
Hello, this is the Square. How can I help you today? Hi, I would like to book a table for 2 people tonight, please. Sure. What time would you like to come? How about 7 p.m.? Please hold on a second. Let me see. I'm so sorry, but unfortunately, we're fully booked at 7 p.m. this evening. Oh, what a shame. How about 8 p.m. instead? 8 p.m.? Yes, we do have 1 table for 2 available at 8 p.m. Great, I will take that table. Definitely. May I have your name? I am James Peterson. How do you spell your surname? Peterson. So, Mr. Peterson, you booked a table for 2 at 8 p.m. today. Is that correct? Correct. Wait, hold on. Yes, sir? Where is the table? The table is in the near corner next to the kitchen. Oh, that doesn't sound very romantic. Well, you're right. It's not exactly a romantic spot. Oh, that sounds bad. Is everything all right, Mr. Peterson? Well, actually, I plan to ask my girlfriend to marry me tonight, but the spot doesn't seem ideal for that. I totally get it. However, it is the only available table we have at that time. I know. However, we do have another table opening up a bit later at 9 p.m. How is it? Absolutely romantic. It is next to our main window with an amazing view. That sounds fantastic. I think I would prefer the 9 p.m. table instead. Absolutely. Let's keep that 1 table for you then. May I also get your phone number? Sure. It's 650-543-4800. Thank you, Mr. Peterson. So, a table for 2, the great view, at 9 p.m. today. Perfect. Thank you so much. You're very welcome, Mr. Peterson. We look forward to celebrating with you tonight. See you then.
Two, place an order.
Excuse me? Yes, sir. How can I help you? Well, may I ask something about the menu? Sure. What would you like to know? So, this dish is listed as seasonal. What does that mean exactly? Well, it means the dish is only available during certain times of the year. Which seasons? For this particular dish, we offer it in winter and spring. And what about this one? Also winter and spring? No. Different seasonal dishes are available in different seasons. This one, for example, is a summer dish. Well, I see. It's quite interesting.
May I know why some dishes are only available at certain times?
It is because of the ingredients. Some are only in season during specific parts of the year.
That makes sense.
Is there anything else I can help you with today? Actually, yes. We're curious about the Chef's Choice section. Could you tell us more about it?
Does your chef really pick those dishes?
Well, in fact, our chef creates them. They're the chef's original recipes. You won't find them anywhere else.
That sounds great.
Does the Chef's Choice change often? Yes, it does. We update the menu quite often. How often are you talking about? Usually, we update it every season. So, can you tell me more about the Chef's Choice today? Certainly. Today's Chef's Choice features a spring pea soup, grilled salmon with mushrooms, and a flourless chocolate cake for dessert. A spring pea soup sounds refreshing. I'd love to have it as a starter.
And flourless chocolate cake? That sounds delicious.
I think we'd both love to try the Chef's Choice menu. Excellent choice. Would you like anything else? 2 bottles of sparkling water, please. Sure, sir. I will put your order in right away. Thank you.
Make a payment. Excuse me. How can I help you, ma'am?
Can I get the bill, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right over. Here you go. Your total is $50. Would you like to pay in cash or card?
Thank you. Can I pay with my card? Oh, hold on. Excuse me. There might have been a mistake. This dish doesn't look familiar.
Oh, actually, it's your baked potato. That's its name on the menu.
I see. Thanks for clearing that up.
You're welcome, ma'am. By the way, would you mind a minute of your time?
We're not in any rush. What for?
We'd love to hear some feedback from you about your food and service.
Oh, sure. Do you mind, Isa? Not at all. I'm happy to give some feedback.
Great! Here is a feedback form. If you fill it out, you'll get a 10% discount voucher for your next visit.
That sounds like a win-win.
Thank you. I'll be right back with the card machine. In the meantime, feel free to take your time with the feedback form.
Sure. Thank you.
Here you go, ma'am. All right. Please insert your card and enter your PIN.
Perfect. Thank you. And here are feedback forms.
We appreciate your input.
The food was great. So was the service.
That's very kind of you. Great. The payment went through. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here's your receipt and your 10% discount voucher for next time. Thank you for dining with us.
Thank you very much. We will definitely come back here for the chef's choice. Yes, you're right, Anne. The chef's choice is top-notch. Please tell your chef how much we enjoyed the food.
Absolutely. We'll be sure to pass on your compliments.
Thank you in advance.
We look forward to seeing you again soon. It was a pleasure serving you both. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks. You too. See ya. File a complaint. Yo, Tom, do you have a minute? Yeah, what's wrong, Jake? A couple of customers from table A24 would like to see you. Actually, they're regulars, Mr. and Mrs. Johnson. I remember them. What happened? Are they not happy? Probably. They don't look very happy. Did you ask them what they weren't happy about? I did, but they asked to see the manager, so... Alright, I get it. I'll be out there in a second. Thank you. Good evening, Mr. and Mrs. Johnson. It's nice to see you again. How are you?
Good evening, Mrs. Smith. We're good. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. Is everything okay with your dinner tonight? Not really, Tom. We need to tell you something.
Your food was amazing, as always. But the noise...
The noise? Yeah, the noise. We come here very often because we love your food and the quiet and calm atmosphere.
Yeah, it's always so calm here.
But today, your place was rather loud. Do you mean the music?
No, we liked the music. But there was a couple near us, by the window. They were...
noisy. The man asks his girlfriend to marry him.
We liked the romance, of course, but we think they were a bit too loud.
I completely understand, Mr. and Mrs. Johnson.
Did you hear the woman? She was so loud, I bet people could hear her from 3 blocks away.
The proposal was lovely, but it sounds like it might have gotten a bit out of hand. Yeah, Tom, we don't mind celebrations, but maybe they can be a bit quieter. Absolutely. We will definitely revise our rules about noise levels.
Thank you, Tom. We like coming here for quiet and the good food.
We appreciate your feedback, Mr. and Mrs. Johnson. Thank you, Tom. We appreciate you listening to us. Please enjoy the rest of your evening, and let me know if you need anything else.
Absolutely.
That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice English every day to improve your skills. Watch the video at least 3 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Try to mimic the intonation and pronunciation in the video to enhance your speaking fluency and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Please subscribe to the Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos.